Welcome back to my channel. We are making a sequin sleeved denim jacket inspired by Pinterest and one of my favorite YouTubers, Orly. You're gonna need the denim jacket, some pins, say hi to my teddy bear, a pair of scissors, an unpicker, and of course some sequin fabric. Okay, so now that you've got all your materials, you're gonna remove the sleeves, and you're going to use those sleeves when you're cutting the sequin fabric. Please make sure you've got like a gang scissors. Like, it needs to be like a good scissors, because if it's just any odd scissors, ooh, you're in trouble. Okay, so you cut it out. You see? Okay, so then we just measure using the denim jacket and the sequin, just to know exactly where everything's gonna go. Okay, pin that. And so remember to remove the needle. Ooh, I can't believe I did that. Remove the pins before they get to the needle, because you'll break it's not necessary drama. It's unnecessary drama. Just remove the pins. Did I do it? There we go. Do that. Okay, I added lining because the sequin fabric was a bit scratchy, so this is my adding sleeve method, because you'll notice as you sew. I should do a video on that, but anyway, so we're doing the sleeve. Guys, I never used to know how to do a sleeve, but here we are. Look at me, how Jenny streets. And voila, guys, check it out. Oh, guys, look at that sleeve. Okay, let's just talk about the sleeve. And we do our jiffy dance, our boomerang dance. Thank you so much for tuning in.